Everyone. Welcome you all to today's topic, that is reading comprehension. My dear student, what is this reading comprehension? If we split this two word reading and comprehension, then we can get the exact meaning, that is reading means to read and comprehension is to understand. So here I'll show you some of the points when you are going through this reading comprehension or when you are doing such exercise, what should be kept in your mind in order to get the proper answer of it. So the first point you can see here, the first sentence is written, read the passage very carefully and try to understand its sense. That means in reading comprehension, you will get a passage. You need to read it thoroughly and then try to understand what exactly each word is trying to tell us. Second point is, read each question, understand it, and locate its answer in the given passage. For example, in exam, in order to save our time, what we used to do is just read the question, then find the relevant answer inside the passage. But my dear student, it's not that benefit. Until and unless you are clear with the passage, you won't be able to give a single answer. So it's my humble request that please don't use this shortcut. Try to read the passage carefully and try to understand each and every word, what exactly it is trying to tell us. So in the third line, it is said that underline the sentence or sentences that contain the answer to the given question and then write the answer in your own words. So when you read the question first and when you find the answer, you just try to underline that particular sentence in that particular paragraph, which will be able to give you answer later on. And the fourth point is, answer to each question should be brief and to the point. There are some students who just move on here and there, leaving the main topic. So it's your duty in passage, you need to read each question and your answer should be brief and to the point. And the last is, revise carefully what you have written. So as we do in our exam time, that we used to read all the answer what we have written and then we just cross check it. So you need to revise carefully what you have written, right? Student, you can see this unit 42, that is reading comprehension. Here you can see in your book, there is a complete passage and along with the passage, there are some questions, right? You can see here, page number 223. So here you need to, after keeping these points in mind, what I have already discussed you right now, after doing that, you just read this passage 2 or 3 times. And when you are clear all about this passage, you can easily choose the correct option from this question and you can write. Like if you read this passage thoroughly, then you will be able to know what exactly Aunt's talk. Here there will be optional. You need to choose the correct option like Aunt's talk with word, with taste and smell, with smell or nothing. If you are clear about all this passage bit by bit or word by word, then it will be very easy for you to give the answer. So this is all about reading comprehension, what you need to know. Just do this exercises of your grammar. Just read this following passage and try to solve this question. If you come across any problem, then please feel free to call me. You can see as the reading comprehension was very short, so I thought of teaching this paragraph writing as well. So I hope reading comprehension is clear to you. So our second topic is paragraph writing. The next page you can see. You can see the definition. As I have already told you that if you split the two words, then you can exactly know what the title is telling us. So here you can see paragraph writing. Paragraph writing means you need to write paragraphs. So here, what is this paragraph? You can see the definition at the beginning. A paragraph is a short piece of composition on a single topic. That means a particular topic would be given to you and you need to write in that particular topic. For example, if there is a topic like my school, you have to write about my school. You cannot write about university or about colleges. You need to be confined to that particular topic, that is my school. So a paragraph is nothing but a short piece of composition on a single topic. It contains well-connected sentences and it expresses one single idea. That means you cannot jump from one idea to the other. You need to write, there should be connection between each sentence, whatever you write. There should be a flow. You cannot divert yourself from that particular topic. Now let us see what are the important points in order to consider before writing this paragraph. So you can see the first sentence that all the sentence in a paragraph should deal with one single idea, and this is called unity. For example, what do you understand by unity? In friendship. That means when you do something, you unite yourself to do that particular task. Similarly, while writing also, there should be unity among each and every sentence to that particular topic. Now the second one is coherence in another important feature of a good paragraph. It means that there should be nothing superfluous in developing the paragraph. That means there should be connection. There should not be too much of imagination. Okay. Now, the third one is the key sentence. Usually the first sentence should express the main idea. So the first sentence should talk about the main idea, or we can say introduction should be there at the beginning. As I told you that there should be what? Should express the main idea or the introductory part, we can say. And the last one is there should be a variety of sentence like simple, complex, compound sentences. So there should be this kind of sentences. Now, what are the points to be kept in order to write a good paragraph? Now, first point is think over the topic for some time. See, if a topic is assigned by your teacher to write something, don't be so in a hurry as if you want to catch a train and leave the place. Be calm, think twice, think for some time and then try to write. So the first topic is think over the topic for some time. And the second point is arrange your ideas in a logical order. For example, if I use a rough book or a rough copy and just start writing about the topic, sometimes what happens while writing in flow, you come across various points and it becomes up and down. So in order to write in a perfect order, first you write in your rough copy, then try to arrange it. Arrange your ideas in a logical order. It doesn't mean that, for example, if you get up early in the morning, instead of brushing your teeth, do you go to school and come back and again brush your teeth? No. There is a systematic order that when you woke up, you brush your teeth, take bath and then go to school, right? So this is called arrange your idea in logical order. Now begin with an impressive sentence. As I have already told you many times that until and unless you write something bombastic, something beautiful, something attractive line, the teacher or the external who are going through your copy, they will be very much attracted and impressed with your sentences that you write. So the first sentence should be always impressive. Don't repeat the old method of writing, right? Now, use simple language. Use simple language. It doesn't mean that too difficult, that it will be very difficult for the reader to understand, and just write simple language. Now the last point is revise the paragraph to ensure that it is complete, coherent piece of composition. As I have already told you, and in the exam as well, what we used to do, we used to cross check everything, whether we have written all the answer or not, whether we have written the correct answer in the correct number or not. Similarly, in this paragraph writing also, you need to revise it. You need to go through each and every line in order to see that whether it's a complete or whether there is unity or not. Is there any introduction, conclusion or not? So you need to keep all these points in your mind in order to write a perfect paragraph. So I hope this reading comprehension and paragraph writing is clear to all of you. If you face any problem, please feel free to call me. Thank you all.